Now, do you want to analyze your Forex charts as a professional? Do you want to advance in Forex trading? Then you need to have the best softwares to help you do in this. The best software you can use to analyze the Forex charts. So far we have TradingView. TradingView comes with a variety of objects, tools and indicators. It also helps you in customization in that you can use shortcuts to ease your work. It is user friendly, but now here is the challenge. It comes with a 1 month free trial, but then after that they have packages that you have to pay for. If you have the financial capacity and capability, you download, pay and start right away. But then if you have a challenge with that, I got you covered. Exness Web Terminal is an online trading platform provided by Exness, a popular Forex and CFD broker. It allows traders to access their accounts and execute trades directly from the web browser without needing to download any software. The platform is designed for convenience and offers features like real-time price charts, technical analysis tools, and order execution. Actually, Exness Web Terminal has some similarities with TradingView in terms of appearance. Open your browser and search Exness Broker. Look for the Exness website. So this is our Exness website. If you are new, you'll be asked to register, and those that already have an account, you just need to sign in. Those that do not have an account, I already made a video how you can open an account with the Exness Broker. Click the first link in the description and you will get that video. You can sign in with your Google. So when you sign in, this is how the website will appear. On the left side, we have analysis, social trading and all that information. But when you look on the top right side, we have the account, then we have this tab, then the notification icon. So just next to the notification icon, you can click this tab and you will have what we have here: personal area, Exness terminal, public website, partnership and all that. So you click on the Exness terminal. We already have our Exness web terminal loaded. As you can see, it has a similar appearance with the TradingView. Clean layout. The charts are in the center. On the left we have our tools. On the upper bar we have the time frame. So starting from the top right corner, you can make deposits on the right here. Then next, you can manage details of your account. In this case, you can sign out and do all these adjustments. Then clicking on this tab, these are links that still connect you back to the website in case you needed anything. Then here we have the icon for price alerts. This is what makes this web terminal also stand out. You can add price alerts on the chart. Then right here is your account information. When you click here, you can be able to hide your balance, check your balance, equity, margin, and you can be able also to manage your accounts. If you have more than one account on the Exness, they'll all appear here. In this case, I have another demo account. So when I click, I'll be able to open up my demo account. You can see up here, it shows the balance. In case you do not want it to show the balance, you can click and hide the balance. Moving on to the left, you can see we have our different instruments here. We have the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin versus the JPY. In case you want to add other instruments, you can click this plus icon and you'll be able to have all your instruments. Here we have the Euro USD, GBP USD. One thing you should note, that on each and every pair they have an option to, they have a star at the right corner. So when you click on this star, it will be added as your favorite. And when you come onto this tab, they will all line up on top so that you don't need to search for them again. Moving on the left side of the chart, up here we also have instruments. So you can also still search for your favorite instruments. And here it is more detailed. You can see we have Euro USD. They have also a section for signal. So this can show you that currently when you click on the Euro USD chart, you'll be able to look for buy positions. So you have also the signals shown here. So an arrow facing up with a green background is showing you a buy signal, and an arrow facing down with a red background is showing you a sell signal. Just right below the instruments, you can find an economic calendar, so they can help you choose. You can select the news depending on the impact, high, medium, low, and the medium is represented with 2 bars. The low impact has 1 bar, then the high impact news has 3 bars. So you can select all that. In this case, I only want the high and the medium impact to show up. You can also select the countries whose currencies you trade. I can choose Australia. It shows you the date, the time when the news will appear. Your news will be here and all that. So here the actual forecast, then the previous. So there's no need to have any other browser where you're checking out the news. You can do it right from here. So when you move back to the top right corner, we have the sell and the buy button. Then we have the show button here. When you click on the show button, you are able to select what you want to appear on your charts. If you want the signals to appear, you can turn on this. And if you want the HMR periods to appear, you can also turn that. If you want the price alerts to be shown on the screen, you can also click on that. If you want the open position to be shown on the screen, you can click on that. And also you can choose if you want the economic calendar to be shown right on your screen. This I can turn it off. Then moving further, this is just a button of full screen. If you want that full screen, you can click that. Then right here, this arrow with a green background, this is where the signal is shown. So right on this currency pair of Bitcoin versus the US dollar, the signal is saying a buy. Then when you see an arrow facing down with a red background, that means the signal is saying sell. Here we have a camera icon. You can capture this image and save it in case you're journaling. Then right here on the save tab, here you're able to create your layouts and save them. You press Ctrl+S and you will be able to save your layout. So we can save it as original. So we have it saved. So in case you have added your favorite indicators and you want to save that layout, and even if your charts get disorganized, you can go back, tap on that layout and it will appear. So when you click and open, layouts, now you can see we have our layout shown there, original. Moving on further, we have the undo and redo arrows. You can also backtest using this backward button. When you click, you'll be able to do your backtesting, but that we shall do later. Then they also have indicators. Just like in TradingView, they have a lot of free indicators right here, the RSI, smooth moving average, and all that. You can open and check out. On the left side of these indicators, they have a star. When you click on that star, it will be added as your favorite. So the next time when you click on indicators, they'll all show up above here so that you do not need to search again for them. Moving on the other side, they have different types of charts. They have the bar chart, the candle chart, hollow candles. They have volume candles, the line chart, line with markers, and all these. These are all different types of charts. So we can try the line with markers. This is how it will appear. Then we can try the volume candles. They have different shapes. So here it shows you candles with a small body. You can see this, candles with a small body. That shows you there is a little volume there. Then candles with a bigger body like this one, it shows you that the selling volume is high, so you can sell at this point. So this helps you. You don't need to have the volume indicator on your tab. You can just use this, the candle volumes. So that's one of the type of charts. So also they have different time frames, starting right from the 1 minute to the monthly. So when you click on this tab, it will be able to add these time frames as your favorite, and they will be aligned up here so that you do not need to search for one by one. So on the left side of the chart, we have our drawing tools. They have the crosshair, just like in TradingView. So you can pick, they have the cross, the dot, the arrow, and then the demonstration. Then they have different lines. They have the trend line, the ray, and all this information. This can help you draw with much ease. For example, when we click on the horizontal line, we can be able to add it here. And when you click on this horizontal line, you can be able to customize it. You can change the color to any of your favorites. You can pick, let's pick this. You can be able to change the color, and right below here you can be also able to adjust the thickness and the type of line you want, either dotted, and all this information. Moving down on the tools, they also have the Fibonacci right here, different types of Fibonacci, the retracement, and all that. They also have patterns. So with this, it can help you draw these patterns. They have the head and shoulder, ABCD, 3 drives, pattern, and all that information. And when you come here, they also have the short and long position. This can help you in terms of back testing your strategy. They have the brush. You can also add text. They have emojis that you can also put on your chart to help you mark some key levels. You also have the ruler. Yes, you can also delete the drawings that are on the screen. You can hide the drawings just the way you do it on TradingView. You can also lock the drawings so that they do not be moved on the screen. This can help you. This is much better than MetaTrader 5. So it has same features just like TradingView, and this is why it stands out. Just know it's too good to be true. It can also help you customize your chart very well. When you click on these candles, you can be able to change the color. You can change the body, the border, the wicks. I can put my favorite colors. Let me use this. I put a white border. I put a white wick. So you can see, if you want to increase the size of the candles, you can just press Ctrl plus the addition button. Then if you want to reduce the size, Ctrl plus the minus button. And if you want to move, oh my god, that is too big. You can reduce it. That's fair. You can be able to increase. So if you want to move it, you can move it through the scale. If you want to move around the chart, just click anywhere on the screen and you are able to move. You can't do this with MetaTrader 5. So you can see and be able to move. And it also allows you an option to do some shortcuts, like keyboard shortcuts. When you press Alt H, it can help you draw a horizontal line. So first, your trend line, just Alt T, and you're able to draw your indicator. And you're able to draw your trend line. So when you click on the sell button, we have a trading panel that will show up in this trading terminal. Exness web terminal offers different options. So there's a regular form, then there's one click form, then a risk calculator. So you can click on the type of forms. So when you click on the risk calculator, this will be able to calculate your risk even before you enter this trade. And on this, you can be able to enter the percentage you want to risk, and you can put your stop loss in terms of price or pips, and this will help you. In this case, if I want to risk 1% of my trade, it's here. So I can, my stop loss, I can put here. So I can also, I can enter here my take profit can be 10. So this will automatically calculate for you as you enter your trade, and to only risk 1% of your account. You can change. There's also a regular form. In the regular form, this is how it is going to appear. Yourself, you can set your own take profit and stop loss. You can do that. That's how it is. If you want to cancel, you can just click right up here. Even when you buy, it's the same process. You can also just click directly, confirm your buy. And when you enter a buy position, it will automatically appear on the chart if you had set it. So now currently, we have entered a buy. And when you have entered a buy, as you can see, it will be able to show you the performance of your trade just next to the point where you have entered. So when you click on this position, it can help you also modify. When you click on the trade position, it can help you modify. Still in this space, you can also add your take profit and stop loss. They have options you can modify depending on the asset price, or depending on pips, or depending on the money. If you want to modify your position based on the money, you can enter take profit to be $10, stop loss minus $5, and you're able to modify the position. In case you want to do adjustments on the position, you can just cancel right here. If you want to hide the position, you can go to the show, this eye icon right up here, and you can remove open positions. So here your trade is on, but it's not showing. But then Exness Web Terminal can help you see your position. As you can, when you check right up here, it is showing us how our position is. So currently our position is running in profit of 0.43. It's not stable, so it's currently showing here. So the same with this. If you want to cancel the trade, you can cancel it right from here, just from the screen. So it is fast, so you can be trading while monitoring. You do not have to switch between tabs to check on the performance of your trade. And when you move below the charts down here, you can be able to see your positions. They have in case you have open position, they will all show up here. If you have a pending positions, they will show up here. If you have closed positions, they will show up here. And you can see our closed positions. It shows you those in profit, those in loss. All that information is listed here. It is very user friendly, so I advise those who need to move to another level in their forex trading. You can log into your browser, search Exness Web Terminal, and you can be able to start marking up your charts just as you do it in TradingView. So all these videos that I will be making from now on, we shall be using Exness Web Terminal so that we can get familiar and use it. Thank you, and God bless you.